Alright guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about the 7 benefits of bone broth fasting. And let me tell you that the bone broth fasting that I did, it was 4 days long and it was totally transformational. Can't have onions, and I definitely can't have this. Apparently I am very sensitive to onions and garlic. Alright, so I just got a few things at Sprouts just so I have some snacks throughout my day. And the first benefit of doing a bone broth fasting is that you have increased energy and focus. So when you're cleansing your body, you're getting rid of all of the toxins in your gut, and just as a result, you have more energy, you have more clarity, you just overall feel good. Alright guys, the second benefit for doing a bone broth fasting is the radiant skin from the collagen of the bone broth. If you look at this video, you can see when I did my bone broth last year, you can see how smooth my skin looks. It's very clear, it's shiny, it just looks really good. And you'll start noticing that radiant skin around the 3rd day of the bone broth fasting. Another benefit, which is weight loss. Last year I lost 7 pounds. This year I've lost 7 pounds in 4 days. On the 2nd day I lost 5 pounds. The 3rd day I lose another pound, and then the 4th day I lose another pound. So again, it's like 7 pounds in 4 days, and that's benefit number 3, which is healthy weight loss. Alright, the increased ability to adapt to stress. You guys, when you're doing this bone broth fasting, you are consuming about 500 to 600 calories per day. And that's not a lot of calories, especially if you are someone that consumes about 2,000 to 3,000 calories a day. 600 is not a lot. So an increased ability to adapt to stress is because you are trying to conserve your energy. You know, you don't want to react to situations in your house, or you know, if there's kids or dogs running around, you don't want to react and burn up a lot of energy. You got to conserve your energy. So that means you're going to be responding to situations versus reacting to situations. So you will be adapting to the situations around you because you don't want to exert any energy if you're only consuming less than 600 calories a day. Alright, so I'm heading over to the gym. I'm going to be doing shoulders and forearms as a quick circuit training workout. I'm going to be working out with Jeff, and we're going to have a great workout session. So another benefit to this bone broth, guys, is improved digestion. You're going to notice that when you're doing this bone broth, that you will be using the bathroom regularly because it's filtering out all of that junk. So you'll be on the pot a lot. That's the only way you're going to be losing some weight, guys. You gotta keep drinking every hour on the hour, and then you notice that after the bone broth is over, once it's over, your body's going to continue digesting properly. You're going to be healing your gut, and you're going to be having bowel movements regularly. So it kind of just, it puts your stomach and your digestive system on the right track for eliminating all the toxins from your body, and hopefully you'll be having a lot of good bowel movements. And that's exactly what you want, guys. If you want to lose weight, you got to filter out all that junk that you've been consuming over the holidays. So that is one of the benefits, is improved digestion. Alright guys, so another benefit to doing this bone broth fasting is less brain fog and more clarity. As you detox your body and you're getting rid of all of that junk in your system, you're going to be able to think clearly, you're going to feel better, you're going to be able to have less brain fog, and you're going to feel good. So guys, don't give up, keep doing the bone broth. I know after the first day is hard, after the second day is hard, but don't give up, because there's a lot of great benefits for doing bone broth fasting. All right, let's go work out. Alright guys, so the very last benefit of doing a bone broth is having a greater overall sense of well-being. You have an overall greater sense of well-being. It feels really good when you're done doing the bone broth fasting, guys. It's a major accomplishment. If you've done the entire 3 days or 4 days of bone broth, power to you guys, man. You guys are awesome. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. If you guys have watched this entire video, thank you for doing that. You've made it to the end. I hope you guys start your bone broth fasting very soon, and if you do, let me know. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Again guys, thanks for watching this entire video. I know it's long, but these are my 7 benefits of doing bone broth fasting. If you haven't already, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys, and see you in the next video.